Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. So, maglalaro tayo ng horror. Horror. So, The Curse. Skip ko na to. Yugi. Bakit ako kalbo? Di ba to kalbo? May buhok ako. May buhok ako. Hala, kailangan 1 to 2 players. Ito solo. Kasi matapang ako. Solo tayo. We need to solo. Kasi kaya natin buhatin natin sarili natin. Hindi natin kailangan ng iba. Pero kung love life, ay, talo ako dyan. Okay, lalaro tayo na to. Horror. Sabi nila nakakatakot daw to. So, tignan natin kung nakakatakot. So, oras ngayon guys is 10:48 PM. Gabi. So try natin. Kung matatapos. Kung hindi. Ay. No, dude, you don't have to wait for all assets to be loaded. You can skip. Oh, skip na natin. Skip. 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 This game contains explicit content such as jump scares, flashing lights, loud noises, distorted aperture. For the best experience. Okay, may headphones tayo. Kailangan natin. Please note that this game is a work of fiction. Any resemblance to events, persons, places, or situations is purely coincidence. Asan tayo? Basurahan. Parang liit ko. Laundry. Parking. Nasa ano tayo? Nasa eskinita. Shh. Uy. Guys, ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yan? Hello? Hello po? Hello? Nawala siya. Nawala siya. Sana. Oh, eh.
What does that mean?
It's all your fault. Nabangga agad tayo. Sayang wala tayo sa pedestrian. Di ba kapag nasa pedestrian ka, may bayad? Oh, di ba? Dapat nasa pedestrian tayo.
It gets worse every
Sayang
night.
din yung pera. Mukhang pera. Uy, totoo yun. Mukha akong pera. Okay, nasa kwarto tayo. Kanina nabangga tayo. So, anong objective dito? Oh! Sorry.
I can't go there yet.
I can't go there yet. Okay.
I can't go there yet.
Oh, indeed. Okay, ano to? Kusina.
What was that? It sounded like it came from. I'm gonna check it out.
What was that? Isa? Katakot? Natakot ako. Ano yun? Saan yun? Dito?
I can't go there yet.
Hindi. Hindi, dito yun. Kasi may nabasag eh. Wala na, sinisipon na ako. Pag bumabahin kasi ako, sinisipon ako.
I can't go there yet.
Saan tayo pupunta? Ay, who's there?
I can't
Go
go there
back
yet.
to your room.
A
Okay.
diary. Now I remember.
A
The
diary.
reason I came to my parents' house in the first
The reason I
place.
came to my parents' house in this
diary that
in
I
the first
usually wrote
place.
everything
The
in.
diary that I usually wrote
But I
everything
don't know
in.
where I put it.
But I don't
That's why
remember
I
where
came here
I
to
put it.
search
That's
for
why
it.
I came
I thought that maybe
to
I could
search
find
for
it.
it. I thought that maybe
we
I could
finally
find it.
some answers. Then
Okay,
the
hanapin
accident
natin ang
occurred
kanyang
and I lost
diary.
my memory.
Then the accident
I have
occurred
to find that
and I lost my
diary.
memory. I have to find that diary. A key! Uy, wait. Hindi rin ako pwedeng maingay kasi may natutulog na. May nakita tayong susi pero hindi ko alam kung saan siya. Okay. Ang liit kasi natin eh. Okay, hindi siya nabubuksan. Sa tingin ko dito. Di ba? Okay. Liwanag. Ano to? Okay, ba't nakasarado yan? Okay, hindi din to.
I can't go there yet.
Ba't ka kasi may ganto? Kung ako yan, tatanggalin ko yan. Ba't may nakakatakot kang ano?
Why is the light still on?
Why is the light still off? Ayun na! Ayun na! Laga ate, lumilipad. Lumilipad siya, lumilipad siya! Hello? Hello? Lumilipad si ate. Ate?
Sophie! Was that
Si
was
Sophie.
that really you?
Was that really you? Sophie, ba't ka lumilipad? Okay, may key tayo dyan. Find the key for the basement. May susi na ako.
What is going on? Is this really happening or am I going crazy? This doesn't make any sense.
May beat yung ano pag patay ng ilaw. Ano yun? F or Y? Flashlight. Okay. May nakita tayong susi. Parents. Kwarto ng ating parents. So, kailangan natin pumunta doon. Sa sobrang takot ko, wala na ako nasabi. Speechless. Speechless ako doon. Parang ako skip ng beat. You have talent, ha? Grabe. Yung talent ni ate. Talent ni ate Sophie, pabaliktad. Ay, bala ka na dyan, ate Sophie. Bubuksa ako na yung grandparents, ko. Grabe. You have talent, ha? Ate Sophie. Ate. Ayos ka lang. Hello? Ala! Maldita. Raduhan ako. Kung ka dito, may susi ako. Ay! Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ano ba? Yung sa mga larong ano, sa mga Resident Evil, Silent Hill, hindi ako natatakot. Sige ah.
Parents'
Sige.
room.
Tuloy mo lang, sige.
It just doesn't feel real and right. It feels like they are.
Kung may camera lang ako, nakapag dito sa upuan ko. Okay, back to game tayo. So, halugugin daw natin ang bahay ng ating parents. But
Damn! Oh, my head hurts. Sophie, oh, my head. Are you in danger?
help. So, malabo na nga yung mata ko. Pinapalabo mo pa. Uy, shout out sa mga malalabo mata dyan ha. Okay, parehas tayo malabo mata. Sa tingin ko nasa likod to. Nasa likod to. 50-50. Wait lang. Nasa likod to. Wala siya. Nahulog yung nahulog yung cellphone ko. Wait lang. Sakit. Ang sakit. Tumama yung paa ko doon. Tumama yung paa ko doon sa bakal ng lamesa. Ang sakit. Wait lang. Ang sakit. Tapos nahulog pa yung cellphone ko. Pero hindi siya nabasag. So. Guys, itutuloy ko pa ba? Parang ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Hindi, itutuloy natin to kasi matapang tayong tao. Kailangan natin tong tapusin. Manda ka talaga sa akin, Sophie. You have talent. You have talent, ha? Ano? Si Sophie, lumilipad eh. Wait lang. Wait lang, nahulog kasi. Si Sophie kasi. Sophie, ha? You have talent, ha? Wait lang. Ayan, okay na. Sakit. Tumama yung paa ko. Bakal pa naman yung ano. Sophie? Sophie? Ay, hindi. Ito pala, nakuha tayo ng VHS tape. So, kailangan natin siyang panoorin. Sophie? Tigilan mo yan. Saan ko ito papanoorin? Ito, insert. Sophie, tumigil ka, Sophie.
Possession by a wicked entity is an unusual or an altered state of
That's my
consciousness
father's
and associated
voice.
behaviors
What is
which are
going on?
purportedly caused by the control of a human body.
Asan na?
The entity, though, hungers for more.
In
these cases,
possession is the
first step of a demon's plan. It is said that there are those who return to our world, seeking to resolve unresolved matters from their previous lives.
Things get much worse for the host.
From the moment of a first contact with a malicious entity, It's already too late. When a demon attaches itself to a human being, it becomes a parasite of sort. If you want to break the link, I'm afraid this isn't a simple matter. The best way to do that is to obey and help the demon find what it seeks. In the first stages of possession, the demon manipulates its host with visual hallucinations and voices in the mind, destroying the sanity of the host. This is how demons fully exerts its insidious control.
Sophie, maligo ka muna, Sophie.
This can't be true.
This can't be
I'm not possessed.
Nakuha tayo ng badge.
I better go to sleep.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko nabasa. Okay, go to sleep. Ay, sana all matutulog na ako. Hindi pa ako natutulog. Sophie, wag ka. Sa tingin ko gagapang si Sophie dito mamaya saan. Sophie. Tigilan mo na ako, Sophie. Sophie?
No. No! Please!
Ooh. Para tayo nasaan? Basement.
Where am I? What is this place?
Oo nga. Para tayo nasa basement.
What was that thing?
Sophie! Sophie, ikaw ba yan, Sophie? Follow the thing. Okay.
What is happening? Why is this happening to me?
Sophie! Sophie, natatakot ako, Sophie! Sophie, namamatay yung ilaw, Sophie! Sophie, ang dilim, Sophie! Uy!
I'm back? At the basement? But it doesn't make any sense. I don't understand.
Sakit
What is happening?
Sakit sa mata
Are
ng
those
ilaw.
police tapes? What happened here? Something's wrong. This radio wasn't here before.
Oo nga, wait lang. Kahit di ko alam.
Recently, there was a brutal family killing. The brutal killing took place while the family was gathered at home on a Saturday afternoon. The girl heard screams and immediately called the police, saying while she was upstairs, she heard stabs and everyone downstairs screaming. After a while, when the police arrived at the place, the parents of the girl were found already dead on the basement. Her dad was hanging from the ceiling and her mother was found dead on the floor with a lot of stabs, while she was found passed out in the bedroom with a stab in her stomach. While the other person's parents that were with them were nowhere to be found, the murderer seemed to got away. The girl's name was Sophie. The police are still investigating this crime.
Baka tayo yung murderer?
What? A murderer?
A murderer? Sophie! Sorry na. Ang dilim, Sophie. Hindi ka nagbayad ng meral ko, Sophie. Sophie, may nasa likod mo,
Is that
Sophie.
you?
May ano dito.
Is that a dad? Oh my god.
Sophie. Sophie, ang dilim, Sophie. Aray, sakit. Sophie, ang sakit. Sakit sa tenga.
What is happening?
Oh, nasaan na tayo?
This can't be real.
Hello? Nasaan na tayo?
Sophie and my parents' death really... I need to find out more.
Find out more. Ay, kailangan natin malaman. Sophie! Sophie! Ba't ka nandyan, Sophie? Sophie, ba't natutulog ka na, Sophie? Huwag ka muna matulog, Sophie. Hindi pa ako natutulog. Sophie, Sophie. Sophie, hinihila ka na, Sophie. Sophie, Sophie, natatakot na ako, Sophie. Sophie, Sophie, ba't ka nakabuka ka, Sophie? Sophie, ba't ka nakasplit? Sophie, Sophie, Sophie.
Sophie? Is that you? Wait, something is not right. This wasn't Sophie. Her eyes were black. It's as if something was taking control of her. I must find her. Quickly.
Sophie, iniligtas kita, Sophie. Sophie. Sophie? Sophie, dead end na to, Sophie. Ay, hindi. Baka pwede dito. Sophie? Hindi ako kasya, Sophie. Sophie.
A gap.
Ayan.
Maybe I can squeeze through.
Ayan, pwede. Pwede pala. Kala ko hindi pwede. Sophie, ang daya mo, Sophie. Oh, asan na? Ano to? Bombilya, lever, ilaw. Ito. Read instructions. Place the bulbs on the ceiling lamps. When a bulb is placed on the lamp, the lever from the lamp can be pulled. Pull the lever when the demon is close range from the ceiling lamp. Kill the demon. Okay, wait. So, kailangan natin ng bombilya, tapos ilalagay natin doon sa walang nakalagay na bombilya, tapos may bombilya na. Tapos, yung lever bubukas, tapos itong ilaw, pag nakatayo siya doon sa may ilaw, patay. Okay. Noted. Wala bang takbo dito? Sophie. Ay, ito may bombilya, oh. Ay, ito. Oh, patay ka sa akin, Sophie. Lumapit ka ngayon, Sophie. Saan ka ngayon? Ayan na siya. Epal, may ilaw na eh. Nakiki-epal ka. Magbayad ka ng sarili mong Meralco, hindi yung nakiki-jumper ka. Ay! Nakiki-jumper ka, hindi pwede yan. Asan kang babae ka? Ayan, nandito siya. Okay. Wait. Ayun. Ito. Sophie. Ayun, nandito. Ala, ang daya naman nun. Wait lang. Lagot ka sa akin, talagang babae ka. Hindi na ako natatakot eh. Inis na ako. Wait. Ayan na si Sophie. Alag na makatakbo. Takbo. Sophie. Ayun si Sophie. Okay. Ito. Sophie, wait lang. Kukunin ko lang yung bombilya, Sophie. Saan yung mga bombilya dito, Sophie? Meron dito, Sophie. Ang bombilya eh. Wait lang, Sophie. Palagay ko siguro yun. Wait lang. Ayun siya. Wait lang. Wala, nagte-teleport siya. Wait lang. Wait, may nakita akong bombilya dito. Andyan agad siya. Wait lang. Hanggang saan ka ba pwede? Wait. Kasi hindi ka pwede dito kasi may ilaw, di ba? Oh, hindi na siya makalabas. Ay, Sophie! Ay, Sophie! Nakakalabas ka, Sophie! Hindi ka makakalabas dito, Sophie. Wait, dito ko siya titignan kasi mabilis siya makita dun. Dali. Yes, sir. Ano? Panina kape. Nainis. Hindi kasi Sophie naman kasi.
How do I get back?
Asan na?
Why am I here in the first place?
Ang dilim. Wait, ayun. Okay, bumalik ulit ako.
What is going on here? How did that door bring me back to the house?
How did that door bring me back to the
dead?
house?
Am I finally free? It just doesn't make any sense.
Ito pala yung kanina.
This doesn't feel real.
Ito ba?
Am I being manipulated?
Hindi.
Am I really cursed or possessed or whatever? I'm so confused. Whatever that is, there's one thing that is for sure. I must save Sophie. Whatever it takes. Whatever the outcome may be, I must save her.
So, anong gagawin? Okay, papanoorin natin yun. Matakot, baka may manggulat na naman dito. Ay, naku. Buti hindi ako nagkaano. Kakasabi ko pala, may dumaan na agad. Hindi ko wala kayon. Kakasabi ko pala, may dumaan na agad.
A curse is any expressed wish that some form of adversity or misfortune that will befall or attach to one or more persons. In particular, curse may refer to such a wish or pronouncement made effective by a malicious entity or a person that died with hatred for someone, or a lot of deceased that died with rage. In order to break a curse, well, I'm afraid this is no simple matter. There are lots of kinds of curses and ways to break them. The most common way to break a curse is by exorcising the entity or person that put on the curse on you. While it may seem hard to do since the person is dead, in order to do so, you have to summon the being that put the curse on you and exorcise it. Side note, killing it won't work. The curse will remain since the entity or the person hasn't been exorcised yet. To summon the being, you have to do some kind of ritual. In order to do so, there is another tape that explains the way and what you will need. Good luck.
I have to find that tape. Where could it be, though? I have searched the whole house.
Parang may attic
kanina, I didn't even find the diary.
Cabinet na...
What am I supposed to do?
Hindi nabubuksan.
Wait. There is one place I haven't searched yet.
Sabi sa'yo.
The attic. How can I forget?
Attic. Attic, attic, attic. Attic, attic, attic. Attic, attic, attic. Attic, attic. Attic, attic. Ito. So, wait. Place ladder. Wait, wala akong ladder. Wait. Parang may nakita kong ladder kanina. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nakita. Isip. Saan ko ba nakita? Yun, saan ko nakita? Basement. Sa basement. Sure ako sa basement. Sigurado ako nandito yon. Eto. Sabi sa'yo, may nakita akong ladder. Nakita ng peripheral vision. Peripheral. Sumisilip ka pa dyan eh. Sumisilip ka pa. Bastusan. Ay! Ano meron dito ha? Yuhu! Naglalag.
Sophie? Is that you?
Oh, Sophie!
What are you doing?
Sophie, ba't mo inaumpog sarili mo?
What is this? Why am I suddenly feeling
yan na naman yung
dizzy?